Hey everyone! This is your Alexa. Today I'm excited to outbox the Milwaukee Fuel 12-volt combo kit. Let's open it. This kit comes with drill and driver tool. We brought it from Home Depot. Please check the description for buy options. Driller here. Driver. Two amps battery. 4 amps battery and charger. The driver is very compact in size. I love Milwaukee design, very pretty. It has various gear options with hammer drill. Okay, let's drill it. That's cool. I can use driver also for drill. It's really cool tool, so that's all for the day. Thank you all.